Recent news stories have talked about XRP as a possible digital currency for Europe in the future. This episode goes into more detail about these stories. People have been saying that the European Union wants to value XRP at a huge $60,000. This change is meant to make things run more smoothly because of how many transactions are expected to go through this route. Today, the idea was talked about that XRP, a digital asset that most US retail investors are familiar with, could become the digital euro or, what's even more interesting, the base for all trades between digital currencies and the euro. Hello, family on the money side. It's great to see you back here, where you always come to find XRP news. Please help me before we talk about the great news from today. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to become a part of our great group. I also have some great news for you. As we get closer to 60,000 subscribers, we're getting ready to give away a huge amount of XRP. To help, all you have to do is 3 easy things. You have to stay tuned if you want to know more. Also, just leave a comment with the hashtag #MoneySide to make sure you're involved in the contest. Chris Larsen, the brilliant mind behind Ripple Labs, talked about this idea that will change everything. He talked a lot about how XRP could be used as a world bridge currency. This case is interesting because it can be used in different ways. You can use XRP with any digital currency you already have, like the euro, dollar, or yen. For these deals, XRP is just a way to pay. Imagine that a digital euro could be easily changed into XRP and then back to USD. That link is for XRP. We talk about a lot in this show, including the news that the French central bank has chosen XRP as the base for the digital euro. Forbes said that XRP could be worth $60,000, and the group that runs the digital euro has said nice things about Ripple. We're giving you all of this shocking news right now. We will now get into the details. What Bitcoin was meant to do from the start was make a decentralized currency. Because of this, Bitcoin can be seen as a way to store value. Ripple is a completely different idea. Instead of focusing on making a value trade or value web that doesn't depend on currency, we are using the same cutting-edge technology. Because of this, Ripple does not require the use of a new cryptocurrency. You can use dollars, euros, yuan, or real, anything you want. Though both Bitcoin and Ripple are based on math, Ripple is more of a tool than a currency itself. Because of this, we think that most Ripple users will use their own assets, like dollars, to make transactions. The launch of the digital euro is moving quickly forward, thanks in large part to the cooperation with Ripple. Surprisingly, a new trend in software creation only started to show up less than 3 days ago. With this new change, digital euro transfers can now be done offline on devices that are already out there, making them easier for many people to use. This change shows that the digital euro is almost ready, and Ripple Labs played a big role in making it happen. This progress is directly responsible for the recent praise that the digital euro group gave to Ripple. The price of XRP has started to change all over the place as these events play out. Fans and investors are paying close attention to these changes because they are happening at the same time that the digital euro is getting better and Ripple is a big part of it. There's a lot of talk about the strange price changes in XRP lately, and a lot of people don't think these are just bugs. Others, though, believe that the huge price jumps are because there is more action and volume on the XRP ledger. XRP went through a huge rise 3 days ago, hitting an all-time high of $42,441. Notable community member Jack the Rippler gave some good advice. He said that XRP's price suddenly went over $5,700 and that a new competitor, the crypto trading fund Coin, went through the roof and hit $267 on the XRP ledger right away. Everyone in the cryptocurrency world is crazy about the crypto trade fund token, in case you haven't heard. It only took 6 days for this coin to become the most important one in the XRP system. Its much anticipated official launch is in less than 3 days, but its rapid rise to fame has already begun. Because there are only $120 million of these tokens, early buyers have a great chance right now during the pre-sale. Because of a possible supply shock after the pre-sale, Jack the Rippler said that prices could soon go up to over $267. This lack of items is proof of that. Even though some people might see it as just another glitch, he warned that this could be the start of a new round of making new riches. You shouldn't, however, undervalue how important it is to do your own study. The events that are happening are adding to a message. Things are changing quickly, and we need to act right away. With more and more transactions on the XRP ledger, it's not strange that Forbes put a price on XRP of around $60,000. Think about how things work in this situation. Every time the XRP ledger does a deal, whether it's buying, selling, or transferring, petrol fees are charged. These fees are unique to the XRP environment and lead to token burns, which lowers the amount of XRP available. Think about this case. Too much demand is being felt for XRP. Because it is useful, more and more governments, central bank digital currencies, and financial companies are adopting XRP. The Crypto Trading Fund is one of the organizations that prefers to use XRP over other ledgers because it has much lower fuel prices. At the same time, XRP is becoming more famous. This increased activity means that a lot of XRP is burned to pay for gas fees. This is because the ledger is widely used. As a result of the burn-off, the amount of XRP is reducing. This has caused a huge rise in demand for the cryptocurrency, which has made each coin more valuable. Basically, what we're seeing is the start of a trend that, as it grows, will show how many people think XRP will hit the unbelievable $60,000 mark. This number can mean more than it seems at first glance. One of the most important things about XRP in the growing world of digital banking is that it combines demand, usefulness, and strategic scarcity. Looking ahead, the interesting story behind XRP suggests that people who want to make money from its predicted rise should buy now. Do not think that I am a licensed financial advisor because I am not. For your pure entertainment, these pictures have adult content. If someone wants to make a big financial choice, I always tell them to do their research and talk to professionals. Thanks a lot for coming. It would mean a lot if you gave the video a thumbs up and chose to subscribe. Additionally, you should turn on alerts if you want to be told as soon as I post new material. I can't wait for our next movie to finally come together.